Hello driver, so today I have a 2013 Nissan Crest. The AC, the problem is that the compressor is not coming on, okay, and the compressor is down there, you can't see it. When I turn on the vehicle, the compressor is not coming on. So right now, as you can see, this is high and low side. I'm gonna recharge on the low side. I'm just gonna test it out just to get the compressor turn on. So what happened is that when I turn on the vehicle, and once I turn on the vehicle and I press the AC, usually when you press the AC, you should hear the compressor click. If you press the AC and the compressor is not clicking, usually you need to recharge the system. Once you recharging the system and the compressor is not clicking, you gotta replace it. But if it's clicking, that means the compressor is good and you could be able to get cooler. So now we're gonna just recharge it with a small can, and hopefully the compressor comes on. As I said, right now the AC is on, but no clicking. Okay, no clicking. So always remember, you need gloves and a mask and a glasses. Okay, so just gonna connect this up right now and hope for the best. So remember, this is always sealed, so and you're gonna use the connection. And meanwhile you're screwing this, don't press this. Remember, for safety, don't press this, because you don't want to mess up you. Make sure you have on your mask, but don't press this until you connect it to the low side. Okay. So what I'm doing right now, just make sure, I just want to make sure if the compressor is working. So make sure it don't come off. You can. Now we're gonna press it and see. Okay, so the good thing about it, the compressor came on. That's a good thing. And right now the battery is getting a little cold. It's in yellow, so we're doing it until it gets to green. So most likely, because I know it's working right now, I'm gonna just buy another can, maybe a bigger can or another smaller one. See, it's saying fill, but I just want to make sure just want to make sure I don't want to finish. You don't want to finish until the can get warm. Okay, once it reaches to like close to empty, you want to hold it down like this. Okay, and shake it. Okay, you want to make sure everything finished, and as I said, warm before you release. Okay, so right now the can get warm. So I could release it right now. Do one more time, make sure thing is good. Okay, so release. All right, and this. Remember, keep on your mask when you're removing this. Okay. And right now, before it was warm, this is getting cold now. It's supposed to be colder than this though. So you're gonna need one more can, or another 12. Yeah, another 12-ounce can. Usually, when it's empty, it's good to put a good amount in it, or a big can enough. But remember your cap. Okay, remember when the compressor wasn't coming on, so we're gonna turn off the AC and you're gonna listen to the sound. Okay, so that means that the compressor came on, that means it's good to go. All you gotta do is, as I said before, right now because the system was empty, it's not as cold. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna buy a bigger can just to make sure I refill it enough that it can get better cold here. Okay, so I'm in the vehicle right now, feeling it. As I said, because the system was empty, it need more. You're gonna need more freon in it. So I'm gonna get one more can. But as I said, if the compressor is not clicking on, once you turn on your AC, now all you have to do is just get a small can first if you're not sure, and try to recharge the system. Once it's clicked on, you know that okay, you're good. Empty that small can and you get a bigger can, then you can just fully recharge the system. Just to make sure be on the safe side, okay? Okay, that's how the compressor works. Okay, drivers, so remember, remove this, keep on your mask when you're moving it. Remember, save this for next time. Put this in a safe place, garbage, safe place. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching, and share the video, support the channel. Have a blessed day.